AMD really picked up on a couple key themes around the industry, where the industry is going, where the compute demands were going, and made a couple real smart, innovative moves in terms of focusing on high-performance computing. And we're able to really leapfrog the industry in terms of performance, core count, pretty much every TCO metric on the planet because of design choices, packaging choices, and foundry choices that we've made. A lot of companies realize they need to move into the world of AI for better business outcomes, for better user experience, for new innovative services and capabilities. The question is, how do those companies move into the AI era? And what we're finding is that in most cases, there's space for innovation in their data center already. And what they need to do is just further move down the consolidation path where they can go consolidate and create space and capacity to then bring AI into their data centers. And so this is where AMD and VMware can help these customers by driving that consolidation so that they can create space and capacity to go do more, especially in the world of AI where there's a lot more needed.
A lot of customers, especially in the enterprise, are trying to figure out what AI projects they should take on that would help their business. That next step is, do I have the right infrastructure to run it on? I'm going to be able to run it securely and do all those things in its performance, and that's where we fit in. The VMware team and the AMD team, we've been working together for greater than 2 years on the vSphere distributed service engine. We are taking infrastructure services, moving from the CPU to the DPU. When you really talk about multi-cloud, especially as compute moves to the edge, that's exactly where the DPU can really help, especially in the VMware environments. And now they have a more efficient way to run infrastructure services, higher performing, more security. From what we're doing together with VMware on the DPU side, it's no secret the AI workloads are going to require more horsepower, more CPU power. And the fact that we can take the infrastructure services off the CPU and put it on a DPU is just going to free up the cycles that you need in the CPU to run some of these AI and ML jobs that'll come in the future. So it just makes sense that we're freeing up resources on the CPU to run the AI workloads, and we could still handle the infrastructure services in a world-class manner, be secure, high-performing, all the things you'd want.
The vast majority of enterprises deploy some capabilities with VMware to run their most hardened business applications and run their companies. I think the partnership with AMD and VMware gives them another choice, with AMD having a differentiated CPU architecture, power efficiency, core count, performance. And VMware helps those customers be able to reliably make those choices because they trust that VMware and AMD's partnership is strong. We make sure our stuff works together well. And then, it gives them the ability to make those other choices based on where they want to go in terms of either performance or efficiency or CapEx or what have you. And so I think that's been a really good partnership between VMware and AMD to help those enterprise customers make those choices.